from the Thoughtful Gardeners. So let's talk about seed harvesting. Here you see a common milkweed seed pod. Now this one is done. This one is almost ready to do what that one has already done, which is open up and release its seeds. And I want to capture all that seedy goodness so I can share these seeds with people like you, so we can save the world by planting 1 billion stalks of milkweed. Yep, 1 billion, that's the goal. We are going to need that to sustain our monarchs. So how are we going to do that? Dun, da, da, da. Yep, you guessed it. These are little soft-sided jewelry bags, super easy to use and transport down to the garden. I've got a pocket full of them here. And what we're going to do is we're going to cover up this seed pod. Now, I've got different sized bags for different sized seed pods, because some of the seed pods for some of the milkweed are significantly smaller than this. But the reason that we're doing this is milkweed bugs. Milkweed bugs will destroy the seed pods. Love the little guys, but they're obnoxious. So let me show you what they look like. So these little guys, as you can see, have already penetrated this seed pod. So no worse saving those guys, sadly. They are going in and sucking out all the good stuff out of that seed pod. So that one is done. So you want to capture these before those guys destroy your seed pod. So what you'll do is take your little bag and cover it. Now, obviously, different size of these jewelry bags are really helpful to have, because these pods, as you can see, are different sizes like we talked about. Sometimes you'll have 2 or 3. And then all you're going to do is just tighten this up and tie it off. And that way, if this seed pod opens, no big deal. It's going to open right in that bag. So I'm not going to lose any of these seeds during this process. So once this pod turns brown like this one, then this guy is ready to harvest. You definitely don't want to cut them too soon, because you don't want those seeds to not be viable. So what's the best way to get viable seeds? Prevent these guys from destroying them? Jewelry bags. That way you can still get what you need for your butterflies. Garden thoughtfully and take care.